Hi guys, welcome to RK IT HELPDESK. In this session, we are going to learn about how to use Microsoft Office totally free. Okay, let's start. Open your browser and open office.com. Okay, I have already logged in my account. I have signed up and signed in with my Gmail ID. Okay, after sign in, you can get these features like Word, Excel, PowerPoint. Okay, online. Just open your Word here and new document. New document is open. Okay, you can make a document here. Welcome to Pony. Okay, welcome to RKIT learning, and it will save automatically your OneDrive. Just this is a document 3 means it is a document name. You can name it. I will RK learning RK learning docs. Okay, this is our document. So it will save to our OneDrive. To go back, and there is a templates of your documents. You can use any template for make a documents. If you open this open house flyer, this is a template of document. You can edit and use this templates. Okay, also we can upload your existing document from upload open document, and the document desktop. Just can upload the document here. See, this is my this is a document I saved in my desktop and I have uploaded it. If you want to do some changes, you can upload here online and uh, make changes here. Okay, same like Excel. Open blank Excel. You can make us documents like okay, okay. Just name here your document attendance. Here also we have templates. Same like PowerPoint, Word, Excel. Okay, we can upload our offline documents to this online services and make changes. Okay, and also we can download these files. So we have made this attendance folder. We can, if you want offline this, we can just go to files and save as and download a copy. Okay, we can use it as easily and free. Hope you understand the video. If you like the video, please do comment and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe RK IT Helpdesk. Thank you for watching.